All right, guys, so today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the unboxing and installation of the Alba clutch guard accessory. So this is an accessory that will protect your clutch cover in case your belts blow. So anytime you have a belt that's gonna blow, depending on how fast you are, depending on how far you go and how fast you're going, you will encountering a lot of damage from the belt that will blow up and will hit the cage on the belt, the clutch cover case, and will break most likely your clutch cover. So this accessory, it's the one that it's a layer of aluminum that goes around the clutch cover in order to protect it. So what we're gonna do today is we're just gonna unbox it and then we're gonna install it on the Can-Am. Step number one, what we're gonna do is really easy. We're gonna undo this little screw right here so we can take the hole from the clutch cover. And then the step number two is unscrew every single little belt over the little screw over there so we can remove the entire clutch cover. Hi guys, so now that we've removed the clutch cover, it's gonna be really easy. So for me, I had to take an extra step. Other than removing the clutch, I had to unscrew my sensor. So if you also have a sensor, don't worry, you can just remove it. And we will actually dig a hole after that once we have it in place. We will be able to mark it. You will see in a second how I'm gonna mark the Alba clutch cover protector. So it's really easy. What basically we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in place. That where there's a hole, I will mark it with a hot small screwdriver. So like this, I'm gonna actually really heat this up really hot and then put it through the hole and make a hole just so I can see exactly where the hole will be. Should be right in the middle. Once I have that mark, I will take a drill and just drill it up. Same below, I will just do the same thing. I will mark it with by heating this up, go through the plastic, and then after that, once the mark is done, it's gonna be easy. I'm just gonna drill a hole over there, and that's pretty much it. Now for the sensor, it's gonna be the other way around. I'm actually just gonna take a pen and then mark the metal, and then from there, I will take it out and then drill it. All right, guys, so we managed to put it in. So I'm gonna be honest, it wasn't easy because of the space that you have here between the shock and the goddamn cover, the bottom plate. So what I had to do is actually slide it upside down so the thin part will be able to slide from the bottom. And then once inside, I actually rotated it and then put it back in place and then push it all the way down. And I did hammer it a little bit just to make sure that it was right where it needs to be. Once it's in, what we're gonna do right now, it's gonna be really easy. As I mentioned, I'm gonna take one piece of metal like this. Sorry. one of these pieces of metal, I'm gonna heat it up really hot. And then I'm just gonna mark the bottom hole right here. And then the bottom hole up there. And then I'm just going to simply drill the plastic cover in order to make sure that I can actually put the screws over and make sure that I tighten the bolts, and then that's it. We're gonna be able to put everything back together. There you go, guys. So what we did, as I mentioned, with this little thing, I just hit it up as much as possible and I went through it. After that, the only thing I did is actually just move it around, and it actually, you know, increased the hole enough to actually so I could pass that screw in underneath as well. Did the same at the bottom. Actually, it was really easy, not too much trouble. Once I did that, I just put the little screws there and then tied it up, as you can see. So if you guys done that, that's it, you're good. You can just put the belt back. So I needed to take off the belt in order to have some room to dig the holes and everything without any problem. So that's why I took the belt off. For that, it's really easy. Use the tool that comes with a Can-Am, put it in like so. So basically just put it right here like so, and then the only thing you need to do then is once you unscrew this big part, it's hard when it's actually moving, but roughly once you actually put it in, it's easy. Then just tighten it up, not too much, just enough there. And then after that, you tie this one up, and what it will do, it will actually open the belt. You can take the belt out, and that's pretty much it. So once you've done that, take the belt out, then you can, you know, do the method that I did. Just heat up this, you know, one little screwdriver or anything, something small, and then just, you know, it's plastic, so when you heat it up to a really high temperature, it just goes through like butter. So once you've done that, you can actually just put the screws, tie them up, and that's it. Everything is secure. So if you have that, that's it. It's the only thing you have to do. For me, if you want to see the next step, this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take my drill and I'm going to go and put the drill in the hole that I did for my sensor, because now what I need to do is actually drill that little hole so I can put my sensor in through the aluminum as well. So I'm going to dig the hole again. Once I've done that, I'm going to put my sensor in again, and we should be good to go. But if you don't have a sensor, it's easy. Now that you're done, put the belt back and put the cover back, and then you're absolutely done. Sounds good? All right, guys, so after a couple of screwing and twerking, really easy, all good. I screwed, so I did dig a hole, and right now I messed up a little bit here, if you can see it. I tried to push it a little bit more to put it straight, but I fucked up. But anyway, I'm gonna take care of this. I drilled a hole where the position of my sensor was, and then from there screwed my sensor. So now I'm gonna plug back my sensor, and now we have again everything back to normal. So once we put that in, now what I'm gonna do, it's easy. I'm gonna use the tool to bring the clutch all the way back again. Put the belt. I actually took advantage and did some inspection on the belt. As you can see, the belt is absolutely clean, marvelous, not even used, not even heated. Everything is nice outside and in. So this belt is great. I'm gonna do it again. This belt is on my Amazon store. It's the Evo belt that I have on the Amazon store. So if you guys wanna take a look at it, I'm gonna put the link below. Same for this part, I'm gonna put the link below as well. So now the only thing we need to do is just open the clutch, put the belt back, and close everything back together. So hopefully, guys, you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you liked it. And this basically, as I mentioned, what it will do it will protect with, this is like really heavy. I'm gonna do some cleaning prior to close it out, but this really allows and protects the clutch cover when the belts are gonna blow up, because at some point you will see they will blow up. What it will do, it's really easy. It will protect the cover with the metal, so the belt can blow, hit the metal, and the protector, the cage, is gonna be clean, no problem, and it's not gonna blow up and be broken. And that, you know, simple $140, this will allow you to really protect this cage, which roughly costs $200 or $300 depending on where you get it. But yeah, I really recommend this, guys. It will allow you to really protect your clutch cover when the belt is going to blow, because it's not a matter of if the belts blow, is that belt will blow at some point. So this, what it will do, it will allow you to really protect it, and, you know, protect, you know, $300 that you won't have to spend. It's $150, but it does the job. It will cover and protect your clutch cover. So I really recommend it. It's easy to install. It's just a little bit tedious to get it in and turn it and fit it, but after that, everything is quite easy, as you can see. So really recommend it, guys. It's on my Amazon store. Make sure you take a look at it, and then subscribe. There's a lot of more videos coming in. Hope you guys, I will be able to see you all there at Pismo. We're gonna go a couple of times. We're gonna be doing way more rides. A lot of more stuff are coming in, so hopefully, guys, you like this video. Subscribe, put the little bell, keep supporting the channel. It really helps. We're going to be having more giveaways as well, so stay in touch. Make sure you follow the channel. Follow me on Instagram if you want to join us on rides, and subscribe and support the channel. Share the videos with your friends. That allow us to really keep growing and growing the channel, to really keep bringing more stuff and more tutorials and more, you know, more rides as well. So hopefully, guys, I can count on you guys. And if you are looking to, you know, go for a ride, let us know. We love to take people with us. And as I mentioned, if you don't have a Can-Am, don't worry. You know, send me a message, and you guys can come with me. And being selecting people to come and ride with us. So, and if you have a Can-Am or a Razor, come along, guys. I mean, we love to have people. You know, we share experience. You know, have a little beer here and there and talk about these machines. So keep following the channel, keep supporting the channel. Thank you very much, guys, and see you out there.